Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss specialist fruit tree and berry nursery and breeding company. My name is Markus Kobelt, I'm founder and breeder of Lubera, and today I'm talking about peanuts. It's just peanuts. It's so unimportant. We are eating the little things in a bar, in a pub. We are eating the little things at least in Germany and Switzerland before Christmas. And we don't think about them. It's just peanuts, it's nothing. But it could be a very interesting garden plant. So last year, together with some English friends, we tested in UK about 20-30 numbers, wild types of peanuts in Middle England to look if they are ripening there. And we selected together some interesting clones which could give a very interesting crop also in our Middle European and UK climate, because they have a shorter vegetation season and they are blooming faster. So as soon as they begin to develop, they're starting to bloom. And these wild types of peanuts we are comparing with some cultural breeding types, American types of peanuts, and then we are deciding which one could fit a garden purpose in Middle Europe and UK. So peanuts are very interesting. They are fixing oxygen from the air. They are leaving the earth, the field behind them better than they started with. And so a very interesting crop rotating plant in your garden. And it's otherwise also very special. So here now in the center of the plant, you see the blooms, the yellow blooms. And as soon as the blooms develop and are pollinated, they start to grow into the earth, down there. So now the blooms are developing like this, and then a stem is growing and the plant is going into the earth to protect the fruit. So the strategy of the plant is to protect the fruit against predators, against wild beasts, because they are also interested in nice peanuts, also if they are only peanuts. And so it developed this very special strategy to bring the fruits of the plant into the earth and to protect them. Of course, that's the reason we have opened the mulch here, that we have an open place where the plant can grow the fruits in. So the blooms are going this, and then they are going this into the earth. I think we will do another video when this happens. Now it's just beginning to bloom. Our goal is to develop better varieties for Middle European climate, that you can grow it in your UK or Swiss climate and have a decent crop in September, October. So I hope in 2-3 years we will have new and better varieties of peanuts for your garden. It's just peanuts, but it's a very interesting little thing. Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera Co. UK with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.